Hi there, I'm Avi, and this is Intro to Python. In the last episode, we made a tip calculator. In this episode, we're going to use what's called an if statement. If statements give our programs the ability to make decisions based on varying conditions. These conditions can be user input, time of day, or even randomly generated numbers. Let's say I want my program to comment on how many movies I've seen last year. I can use code like this. In the first line, you can see I've written what's called a comment. Comments in Python begin with a £. These lines are ignored when our program runs, and they can be really helpful to make our code easier to read for other people. To make things a little more interesting, I asked my friends how many movies they watched last year, and I calculated the average like so. I can now use another if statement to tell me if I watched more movies than my friends, less movies than my friends, or the same as the average. In this last if-else block, I've added another section called an elif, or else if. You can add as many elifs as you need to catch more possible conditions. Thank you for sharing this time with me. In the next episode, we will talk about lists. If you have any comments, suggestions, or questions about this episode's code, please do share them with us in the comments section below. See you